everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to change the drop links. So the drop link is this one here, has one nut here and one nut here. To take them out, you need a 90mm spanner and Torx bit of T30. Hold them like this, and you need to untie the nut here, but most likely are seized. One thing that I forgot to mention is make sure to jack up the car on both sides, so both wheels in the air. So this is the old drop link, this is the new one. I have for the other side as well, so ideally is to change them both sides in pairs. Always when you're doing some changes in the suspension, ideally is to change both sides. The original drop link is made out of plastic, so I went for the metallic one. People are saying it's better. New drop link on this side, it's done. I'm gonna do the other side. As always, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.